This is All India Radio Shillong. The Northeast News Bulletin read by Sandeepan Chakravarti. President Nath, Kovind, Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu and Prime Minister Narendra Modi have greeted the people of Arunachal Pradesh and Mizoram on their Statehood Day yesterday. President Kovind said Arunachal Pradesh is a jewel of the Northeast and is blessed with a spectacular natural beauty. He said India is proud of the rich culture of Arunachal Pradesh. Greeting people of Mizoram, he said the entire nation admires the state and its people for their values and vibrant culture. He hoped that the state will scale new heights of progress in the coming years. Prime Minister Narendra Modi in a tweet said Arunachal Pradesh is synonymous with patriotism and unwavering commitment to national progress. He said people belonging to Mizoram have excelled in many spheres and contributed to India's growth. Mizoram Governor P.S. Sreedharan Pillai hailed the Mizo Peace Accord signed in 1986 as a beacon of hope for enduring peace as the northeastern state celebrated its 34th Statehood Day yesterday. Pillai, while addressing a program on Aizol on the occasion, said, "The signing of the historic Mizo Peace Accord on June 30th, 1986 remains a beacon of hope for the world that peace can be attained and sustained if the people and leaders choose it over violence." Mizoram became the 23rd state of India in 1987 after the Mizo National Front signed the peace accord with then Rajiv Gandhi-led government at the centre, ending a 2-decade-long insurgency. Arunachal Pradesh Governor B. Mishra has said that medical evacuations and important sorties carried out by the Indian Air Force for the welfare of the people must not be stopped for want of reimbursement of the sorties cost. The Air Force officers' team was led by Eastern Air Command Shillong Command Account Officer Group Captain J. Bahuguna. They apprised the governor regarding services provided by the IAF to the government of Arunachal Pradesh, including civil supply and patient evacuation. The governor expressed his appreciation for the IAF, Eastern Air Command, for their cooperation in providing assistance to the people of Arunachal Pradesh at the time of emergencies. JNU student Sharjeel Imam, who was arrested on charges of sedition, was brought to Assam on Thursday evening for interrogation. Imam was brought to the city from New Delhi by train and then taken to a hospital for medical checkup. After his checkup, Imam was produced before the Chief Judicial Magistrates Court, which sent him to 4 days police remand. The police had sought 14 days remand to interrogate him. The student, who came into the limelight during the ongoing protests at Shaheen Bagh against the Citizenship Amendment Act, was arrested from Bihar's Jehanabad on January 28th in a case of allegedly making inflammatory speeches at the Jamia Millia Islamia University and in Aligarh. A case under the stringent Unlawful Activities Prevention Act has been registered against him in Assam. Proscribed outfit Hynniewtrep National Liberation Council yesterday triggered an improvised explosive device blast at a coke in Meghalaya's West Khasi Hills district, partially damaging the facility. However, no casualties were reported in the incident. The incident happened around 1:30 a.m. at Kilnon Mathai Pindeng, Jalong area in the district. District Superintendent of Police B. Lalu said an investigation is on. With an aim to boost fish production in the district as well as to generate employment for the unemployed under the Meghalaya State Aquaculture Mission, the Department of Fisheries, North Garo Hills District, organized a second Aqua Festival at Damsan Riverside, Bangalmura in Resubelpara yesterday. Deputy Commissioner S.C. Sathu said the objective of organizing Aquafest is to make known to the people about the activities of fish farming and to ensure that fish farmers get more income through fisheries business by increasing productivity so that supply of fish is made regular. Sikkim Archery Association has announced to organize the prestigious Chief Minister's Gold Cup Archery Tournament from the 23rd of this month at Archery Shooting Range in Tenzing Namgyal Memorial Ground, Tathen Chen. 23 teams from in and outside the state are taking part in the 19th edition of this traditional form of archery tournament this year. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio Shillong. Have a nice day.